Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on ChatFuel application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on ChatFuel, firstly go ahead and launch open your ChatFuel application. The home page of ChatFuel application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on your device name at the bottom of the page. From the pop-top option, choose the language you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change language on ChatFuel application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.